Today I'm here to talk to you about oil fires in the kitchen. Probably the most common one that most people would know about is the chip pan. A fire involving oil, and in particular a chip pan, can be one of the most devastating fires that we actually attend as a fire and rescue service, and can lead to some horrific injuries, and unfortunately sometimes it can lead to death. What we would actually recommend is that you actually ditch the pan altogether and either use oven chips or just go to your local chip shop. However, if you do wish to continue using a chip pan or frying in deep oil, there are some really simple safety messages that I can give to you. First thing is, only fill the pan a third full of oil, no more. And any food that you're going to put in, for example you cut chips, make sure you dry them off before you put them in the oil. And never ever leave an oil pan unattended while you're cooking the food. That way, hopefully, you will stay safe while you're using a pan like this. However, if you are unfortunate enough to have a fire involving an oil pan, make sure, if possible and if it's safe, that you turn off the heat to that pan and then leave the kitchen, closing the door as you go, leave the house and then call 999 and ask for the fire service. Never ever tackle a fire like this yourself, no matter how small you may think that fire is.